This is everything that the kit came with. Test strips, of course, a little test tube, and a dropper. I'm testing filtered water, tap water, and bottled water, just because I'm really curious about the comparison.
Okay, so this one's hard because on one hand, I applaud this person for wanting to learn more about their water and being willing to take a step to do it. But in this case, they're using the wrong tool for the job. Dipsticks are not a replacement for laboratory testing for three main reasons. Number one, they're not sensitive enough, meaning they can't detect toxic contaminants at the lower level that these contaminants are actually toxic at. Number two, they're not selective enough. And what that means is they can't always tell the difference between the toxic stuff and the non-toxic stuff. So you get a lot of what's called false positives. And number three is they can't test a broad enough range of contaminants to make you basically give you the all clear on your water. And that's really the point of testing. You can only accomplish this using laboratory testing at an accredited facility.